Enable the Call Sync option in Flozo.ai to automatically or manually manage your call synchronization with the CRM. In this guide, learn how to turn on Call Sync, switch Auto Sync to Manual Sync, navigate to Dashboard. Log into your account by entering your registered email ID. Enter your password from Password field. Once the credentials are entered correctly, click on the Sign In to Dashboard button to access your dashboard successfully. Click on System. From left pane, click on CRM setting from submenu. Click on Call Sync from the list. Click on Call Sync Mode. Switch the option Manual pop-up to Auto Sync. Click on Save button. Call Sync mode changed successfully.